One of the key work that we have presented in IROS is that we try to make good use of large language model.
At IROS 2025, we had the honor to interview Professor Chen Lv from Nanyang Technological University, Singapore.
My name is Chen. I'm an associate professor at School of Mechanical Aerospace Engineering, Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. So my research mainly focuses on autonomous driving, robotics, and embodied navigation, embodied intelligence. This year, IROS, we have 4 papers presented here. So mainly focus on autonomous driving and embodied intelligence with particular focus on the high-level decision-making planning for robotics. I think one of the key work that we have presented in IROS is that we try to make good use of large language model. Everybody now, we know that vision language model, large language model, they have great potential in reasoning, decision-making, particularly against complex environment. But on the other side, we also see that the weakness of large language model is the low frequency, and they're kind of slow system. So in the past, we have made much progress in kind of relatively small models, and we have proven that even small model can achieve a lot of things. So currently we are thinking about how to make good use of AI and how to combine large language model together with those traditional small model and achieve a better performance of the overall system. How to combine the large language model together with small models and to make the entire system, the overall performance to be better. That is one of the key challenge. And in this area, I think data is always one problem. How to get good quality, the data with good quality and in a sufficient size of data, that is one challenge. The other side is we need to think about how to train this model with limited data. And I think last but not least, we also need to think about the applications, because eventually all these models, all these algorithms, they need to be deployed in real world. They need to make real contribution to the society. So how to combine all this model data and deploy them in a proper way, I think this is of great significance. Most of our work are highly relevant to real-world applications. For example, we are focusing on autonomous driving as well as social navigation in real society. And as I said, there are still a lot of issues, problems we need to solve. For example, just now I mentioned about data. And also in real-world applications, we need to think about other elements like the computing performance, computing capabilities of hardware, and also, especially in real-world applications, we need to think about the external elements like the laws, regulations, and the human factors, as well as the ethical elements. Because we deploy robots in society, they need to interact with humans. So they need to interact with the whole society. So we need to think all these relevant elements in the real-world applications. So basically, we are looking for highly motivated PhD students, postdoc fellows, and the key areas we are looking into are those autonomous driving, robotics in terms of applications, and also in terms of methodology, we prefer those candidates who have strong backgrounds in large language model, vision language model, as well as reinforcement learning.